Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you some very crispy and delicious stuffed jalapeno tacos that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare these amazing crispy jalapeno chicken poppers. These are the ingredients. I have the roasted garlic, seasoning, parsley, cream cheese, chicken breast, of course, tortillas for frying, jalapeno, and Mexican blend cheese. This is everything we need to prepare these crispy and delicious tacos. So let's get started. I want to start here with my jalapenos. I have washed them and rinsed them really good through running water. And now I am ready to get the seeds out and the veins out, so the jalapenos don't come out that spicy. This is the part that really takes longer, but let me tell you, these jalapeno poppers, taquitos, crispy, come out delicious. I am sure you are going to love them. And now I am ready for pulling apart, shredding my 2 chicken breasts. I am going to shred it really good. And now that it's nice and shredded, I'm going to transfer it back to the same plate. And I am going to continue with the room temperature Philadelphia cream cheese. Make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature so that it really incorporates into the spices. And now I am ready to add the parsley and of course the roasted garlic seasoning. I'm going to incorporate it really good. And now that it's nice and incorporated and creamy, now I am ready to add the cheese blend. Look at this. It's really soft, really fluffy. I'm adding the Mexican cheese blend. And once it's nice and incorporated with the cream cheese, I am going to add the shredded chicken. I cooked the chicken with 2 bay leaves, 2 garlic cloves, salt, and water. This is everything you need to cook your chicken breast. And now I incorporated the chicken breast in here, nice and shredded. Of course, I'm going to use my hands to really incorporate the chicken into this creamy and amazing ingredients. Look at this. Look at the texture. And that's exactly how you want it. Once you have this nice and incorporated, you are ready to start filling your jalapenos. And of course, be very generous because these crispy tacos come out delicious. I am sure that once you make them, you are really going to continue making these amazing jalapeno crispy tacos at home with lots of love. And here I have finished adding all the ingredient into the filling into the jalapenos. I have my tortillas here. These tortillas are especially for frying. They're really thin, and I'm gonna go ahead, leave them in the bag, put them in the microwave for just 2 minutes. Once they are nice and warm, I am ready to assemble these jalapeno poppers crispy tacos. Look at this. If your jalapenos are very large, you could even slice it through the center and make these rolled taquitos. I am sure you guys are going to love it. I'm going to show you with these large jalapenos how I just slice it through the center and then make my amazing roll the taquitos and just have them ready. And I'm going to continue rolling the rest of the taquitos with the jalapeno poppers. Slice them through the center and then just roll them up. Make sure that your vegetable oil is really nice and hot before you add your taquitos. You don't want the filling to come out of your taquitos while they are getting nice and crispy. The key is that your vegetable oil needs to be nice and hot. And this really doesn't take too long. Make sure that you stack them just like that, nice and tight, really together so that they don't open apart. But remember, the key to keep the filling inside your taquitos is that your oil needs to be nice and hot. Don't be flipping your taquitos many times. You're just going to flip them twice, and that's going to avoid all the amazing filling to stay inside your taquito. Now I am ready to flip, and then once you flip them one time, just leave them there for another minute or two, and then you are ready to get them out of the vegetable oil, and they are going to be golden brown, nice and crispy. And of course, I already have a little rack here so that all the excessive oil comes out of these crispy taquitos. I am going to continue making the rest. Look at this. These taquitos come out crispy and delicious. And now these are the last taquitos. And of course, we are going to enjoy these jalapeno popper crispy taquitos with this amazing dip. I have 2 jalapenos that were in the vinegar. I am going to start slicing, cubing really good, really small, so that I could add to this sour cream and ketchup. Blend it completely, and this sauce comes out delicious. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. And now I am ready to show you how chunky and delicious this dip is. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I'm adding a little bit of parsley right on the top. My friends, I am completely done with these jalapeno poppers crispy taquitos. And with this amazing sauce, perfection made at home, excuse me. Delicious and amazing. Make them at home, enjoy them with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, Leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.